and I don't know what to do. You're the strength that never leaves me. I run back home to you. You see the pain I try to hide. You wipe the tears I cry. Heal me, Lord, make me whole again. Touch my heart, let your mercy mend. Wash me clean, make my spirit new. All I need, Lord, is you. In the silence you are speaking, gentle whisper, calm and true. You remind me of your promise. There's nothing you can't do. You lift me when I fall apart. You breathe life into my heart. Heal me, Lord, make me whole again. Touch my heart, let your mercy mend. Wash me clean, make my spirit new. All I need, Lord, is you. Your love is the healing rain, falling on my soul again. Every scar you made it shine. Your grace has rewritten my life. Heal me, Lord, make me whole again. Touch my heart,